Alright, welcome back. Today we have a small retro B01 engine model that we are going to take a quick look at and get running. This was a Black Friday special. And from what I've seen, these things run absolutely amazing. You get a little bag of parts, a starter for your drill. We're not going to try and use. You get a pull start rope. You get a nice looking, definitely pretty nice looking engine there. Gas tank, ethanol free fuel with some oil in it. Boiler on this side. AA batteries, what it uses for an ignition system. I want to oil up this valve. Top and bottom. Obviously the gears to latch out. It's got a open crankcase, so just throw a couple drops down in there. Go ahead and flip our switch. I think I flooded it. We're going to go to the rope. Well, for sure that would have cleared it out. There we go. There we go. Very nice box with wood detail. Spark plug. Your mixer screw. Muffler. Obviously your pulley, your starter side. And just shut her off. Let's see if we can just start it by hand. Yep. Pretty impressive runner. Take it out just a hair. Uh-oh. Not sure which direction I'm going. So you watch the tiny little mixer right here. The valve assembly, the spark plug, the muffler, This is definitely one of the nicer Chinese model engines I've seen. This one I got from Stirlingkit. Anyway, great running, great start little model. Obviously, I do not have water in it. It does have only a tiny little bit of heat in it. I put oil in my gas, so I do have that one shut off. I think I flooded it with oil. Obviously, you can, if I can get it to zoom in on that tiny little oiler. You can see it all drained out pretty quick. But great quality, such a pretty little engine, for sure. So, I want to say this was Black Friday, around 3 something, 370 maybe, 380. I'll have discount code posted. Hopefully, if anybody's interested, you could pick one up. I would definitely recommend them for the price. I mean, detailed little skid, very scale, realistic looking. I mean, dovetail woodworking on that box. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.